My dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate today the memorial of St. Thomas Aquinas, priest and doctor of the Church. You know, St. Thomas Aquinas is very well known, very popular, especially as for us priests who went to seminary. I remember when I was at the seminary, his writings were one of the hardest to understand and to read. He tried to prove the existence of God and different theologies of our faith. The first reading, the responsorial psalm and the gospel reading today, the readings for today, has these words that really have something in common. To do the will of God. To do the will of God. If we're going to reflect the life of St. Thomas Aquinas, he did the will of God, using his God-given talent, his intelligence. And that's why today I believe the readings are asking us of one thing. Are we using those talents that God has given to us to do the will of God? Siguro yun yung maganda nating pagtuunan ng pansin. Yung mga talento na ibinigay sa atin ng Diyos. Ang tanong, ginagamit ba natin ito para sumunod sa will ng Diyos? Kasi po minsan, ang nagiging problema ay yung mga talents na ibinigay sa atin ng Diyos, kung minsan yung ibang tao, hindi naman ito nagagamit sa tama, bagkus nagagamit ito sa pang-personal na pangangailangan, sa kanilang personal na needs. At kadalasan hindi naman nagagamit ito sa kagandahan o sa kabutihan. Kaya ngayon, in this liturgy, on this celebration of the memorial of St. Thomas, and the readings today, they're both asking us of one thing. Is that talent that God has given you, do you use it to follow the will of God in your life? At this celebration, as we receive the Lord in the Eucharist, ask the Lord, I need your help to follow your will, to do your will. And don't forget, as we receive Him in the Eucharist, don't forget to thank Him for all the talents, for all the gifts that God has given you. Sometimes, hindi at nakakalimutan na natin na magpasalamat sa Diyos. Minsan, puro na lang tayo, Lord, I need this. Lord, I want this. Siguro ngayon magandang paalala sa atin, yung binigay na talento ng Diyos, magpasalamat tayo sa Kanya. Magpasalamat tayo at Lord, salamat po sa lahat ng talento at biyayang ibinigay mo. At nawa, magamit ko ito para sumunod sa iyong kalooban. Amen.